Good morning everyone and welcome back to As Good as We Can. On weekends I like to prepare dishes that remind me of home, and today I'm going to make a typical delicious Italian dish loved worldwide and known as Bolognese sauce or Ragu. It is a meat-based sauce that can be used together with tagliatelle or to prepare the famous lasagna. But if you don't have them, you can use any other kind of pasta and it will still be delicious. Today I'm going to prepare homemade tagliatelle with ragu. And if you also want to know how to prepare super easy tagliatelle at home, don't forget to check out this video that we also prepared for you. So let's see now which ingredients we need to prepare our homemade ragu alla bolognese. Start by adding the extra virgin olive oil together with the chopped vegetables. Switch on your stove to medium-high heat. When the vegetables are nicely golden, add the meat, usually containing beef and a small amount of pork. Once the meat becomes slightly brown, add the wine. The real recipe uses white wine, but I did not have, my apologies. Let the wine to evaporate, start adding the tomato concentrate and mix well. Now it is time to add the tomato sauce or passata. After a few seconds, add 1 big glass of water, around 400 ml. Don't forget to spill some, that's the secret for the best ragu. At the end, add salt, sugar and black pepper. Let the ragu cook for 1 hour and a half, 2 hours at low temperature. At the end, you will get a very smooth and delicious ragu. Finally, our tagliatelle with ragu is ready. I hope guys you like the recipe and give it a try. Let us know what you think in the comments below the video. And let's see what Federica will prepare for us in the next episode of As Good as We Can. Don't forget to like the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for future recipes, and what can I say? Enjoy!